Mr. Death. I found this outside. How can I tell what their face looked like?
Hey Lucy, yeah, if you find a human skull, this is one way to reproduce the person's face. These rods that I applied to the skull here are essential tools for forensic artists in facial reconstructions and identifications of discovered skulls.
So cool.
Now, the artist would attach these rods in very specific locations on the skull. Forensic scientists can identify special features on the skull that generally reveal the skull's age, sex, and ancestry. Each rod is then cut to a specific length based on the average tissue depth for people that fit that profile.
Also considered as the expected body weight of the individual during life. But in most cases with skeletal remains, this is literally impossible to know.
Now from here, the artist will apply clay to simulate the muscles and tissues of the skull while using the rods as a guideline of tissue depth.
Come here, let me try.
Hey, play nice, you two.